Breaking news, Jamaica, breaking news. 8-time Ballon d'Or world international superstar Lionel Messi has
just touched down in the airport.
Greetings, families and friends. Thank you for tuning into the Rastaman channel. Yes, you know, it's Rastafari Soldier. I'm elated to report that world international superstar Lionel Messi has arrived in Jamaica on Wednesday as an international Miami squad has now to face the local champions, Cavalier FC, on the second leg of the Concacaf Champions Cup match in National Stadium in Jamaica in Kingston. Now the Argentinian superstar and his teammate, greeted by Sports Minister Olivia Grange and other officials on the tarmac shortly after their arrival at the Norman Manley International Airport. Now Messi appeared here in Jamaica with his teammate, which is a generator of excitement for locals and for internationals, ladies and gentlemen. Don't get me wrong, and has been questioned, if he was going to be in Jamaica. Now, the 8-time Ballon d'Or winner has missed several matches recently, including the Inter game, which they won 4-1. That we won against Houston in the Dynamo in Major League Soccer. Now, on March 2nd, and a 2-0 midweek home win over the Cavalier in the first leg of the last 16 tie against the Jamaicans. As the club manager, his workload, and they have been, sitting him to prevent injuries. Now, Olivia Grange spoke to the local news as she expressed her pride that Messi and his teammates came to Jamaica and suggests that this will be a further boost for the economy, especially for tourism and sports. I'm feeling good, very good. I'm happy that Jamaica is able to host a high-profile match. Having Messi and other high-profile players here make Jamaica look good. And I am so proud of the Cavalier FC, the fact that they get to play with some of the most outstanding players in the world. Grange said, adding that the brand of Jamaica brand, will be further enhanced. And as the Minister of Sports, I am so proud. Meanwhile, Peter Mullins, Deputy Director Tourism, touts the occasion that will boost the event for tourism in Jamaica. Messi brings a lot of attention, and certainly it will bring us many opportunities to showcase our destination even more. In many areas, events like tourism is other area where we will focus on, because there will be many opportunities, because people will be flying worldwide to see the international superstar and to partake in the Jamaica environment. As you see, my video, I introduce the world international superstar arriving to the beautiful island of Jamaica. Now, you know that Babsy had a little bit to say, so I have to let Babsy say something, but I'm
feeling very happy. I'm happy that Jamaica is able to host, I would say, high-profile matches.
You mean, because Jamaica is a world international destination, ladies and gentlemen, and I am so proud and elated to see that our island has gotten the chance to host Messi, and that we as Jamaicans are now being given a chance to showcase our football skills on an international level against the current top baller in the world. So I want to big up all of the Jamaicans. Congratulations to Cavalier FC for your ranking right now, for the opportunity in the Concacaf right now. And I want to say congratulations to Babsy Grange, the entire tourist industry, the entire Jamaica, and the entire football industry in Jamaica. Big up to all of the youths them. Yeah, it's the truth. I'm so happy to see that the youths them get a chance to see their ball hero. Yeah, because me know see a lot of Jamaicans love Messi. I man is a Pele fan, you know me I say, but I not take nothing away from Messi. Don't get me wrong. The boy right now, Messi, and Messi got it. The ball, I him lock it. Me not take nothing from him, brother. So big up yourself, Messi. Big up all Jamaicans. Big up all of the ball players, them. All of the balls fans, them. I man just want to let you know again. The world international 8-time Ballon d'Or. Yeah, World Cup winner.
Just
yeah.
touched down in the
Messi.
airport.
Yeah, him the yard. Big up Babsy Grange. Yeah, you know, say you're no fraud. You're a real empress.
I'm feeling very happy.
You mean?
I'm happy that Jamaica is able to host, I would say, high-profile matches.
Oh, you mean everybody is a winner upon this one, people? Tourists are winner. Yeah, the peoples are winner. The youths them are winner. Messi winner. Yeah, and Cavalier FC, congratulations. Babsy Grange is a winner. You're born a winner. You know, say Babsy, none of them can style you. Big up Lionel Messi, the world wide champion, 8-time Ballon d'Or. He's now in Jamaica. Yeah, good luck to your FC. This is one game that Jamaica cannot lose. Yeah, big up the Cavalier FC. More life, more joy. Messi in Jamaica. Just arrived, just touched down in Jamaica. Lionel Messi, ball, 8-time Ballon d'Or winner. Yeah, World Cup champion. Yeah, the Argentinian native is now in Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah, big up yourself, more life and more joy, more happiness. Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. Big up yourself, Lionel. You know, say we love you.
This is Wayne One, you know, so I represent for Deep Roots TV. This one is a bombshell. Check it out.
Yeah, outside me there. Come on, flash up Jamaica one time. Yeah, see, Island Rose, we're here. Yeah, man, Deep Roots TV. Check them out. They're all over the place, man.